Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving right into how you can use Monday.com for event registrations. So let's get started. Our first step is to log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one on their website. Now, the reason we do this is because Monday.com is a web-based platform, meaning you need to have an account to access its features. Once you're in, let's navigate to the Boards section. Here, we're going to create a new board specifically for event registrations. Click on New, then Blank Board, and give it a name related to your event. This helps us because it keeps all our event registration data in one place, making it easy to manage and track. Next up, we're customizing our board. Add columns for name, email, ticket type, and any other information you want to collect from event attendees. The beauty of Monday.com is its flexibility, allowing you to tailor your board to your exact needs. Now that we've done that, we're moving on to the Automations feature. Click on Automations at the top of your board, then select When Status Changes to Something, Notify Someone. Set this up so that when someone registers, you get a notification. This is crucial as it helps you stay on top of registrations in real time. Lastly, we're going to share our board. Go to Share at the top of your board and choose Public Form. This transforms your board into a public registration form that you can share with potential attendees. Let me explain why this matters. Sharing the board as a public form makes it accessible to anyone, enabling them to register for your event. So there we have it. You now know how to use Monday.com for event registrations. It's simple, efficient, and a great way to keep everything organized. Remember, the key is to tailor the platform to your needs. And that's a wrap. See you in the next tutorial.